In this class, we are to see on preserve formatting. This is PalmOps Foundation Elite Schools Computer Practical Skills for all. We are making computing easier. This is my name, Ahebwa Martin. This is my number. At the same time, this is my email address. So we are saying preserve formatting. So let us see what is preserve formatting. Let us see what is preserve formatting. So we are saying that sometimes you want your text to follow the exact format of how it is written in the HTML documents. In these cases, you can use the pre-formatted tag pre. Any text between the opening or pre tag and the closing pre tag will preserve the formatting of the source document. So we want to see how do you preserve the formatting, or how do you use this pre? What does it do if in case you use it in your HTML document? So let us continue and see example here. So an example of a pre-formatting tag. So let us see it here. So we are having this. We are saying that this will produce the following result as how you are seeing it here. So let us highlight it. Let me highlight it. Let me copy it here. Then I bring it into my browser here, into my text editor. So I paste it there like this. Then I save. So after saving, I can say pre-formatting.html. Then I click save. So after this, I think you can see my text here. So we want to see the purpose of this pre-formatting this one. We want to see what is its purpose when writing HTML document, or when writing HTML codes. So let's see. So I have saved it as pre.html. So I will open up my folder here. That is desktop. On desktop here. Then I open up my folder that is websites here. Then on websites, I open pre. So we want to see it. So I think you can see how it has brought it. You see it here. So we have a function, test function. This is a string text, alert string text. So this is the function. So we wanted it to bring it the way it was here. So I think you can see it here. So pre, meaning that format this work the way and bring it out as how it is. So this will produce the following results. So I think you can see it here. So let us continue. So let us continue. So they have said that try using the same code without keeping it inside pre. Okay, so let us test it. Actually, let us test it. So in case it is not in pre, let us bring it out. Let us remove it, those pre commands. I save changes. Then I come back here and I refresh. Now you see what it does. Now it brings it as just a text document. So it is just a text placed there in the body tag. So without any command, without any guidance, it is not following any guidance. That is why it is like this. You see there is no space here. You see the coding, the writing of it. But now if we bring back our pre-formatting codes here, tags, this one and this one, so and I save changes, I want you to pay attentive and be careful, be vigilant on this word. So if I refresh it, now do you see the changes that happens? That is the importance of pre-formatting or text pre-formatting. So let us continue. Let us continue to what we call non-breaking spaces. Non-breaking spaces. So we are saying that suppose you want to use the phrase 12 angry men. So suppose you want to use the phrase 12 angry men here. You would not splint the 12 angry and men across two lines. So an example of this technique appears in the movie 12 Angry Men. I don't know if you have ever watched it, but you can go on internet and search for it. So in case where you do not want the client browser to break text, you should use a non-breaking space entity, as how you are seeing it here. $ NBSP, non-breaking space here, non-breaking space. So now instead of a normal space, for example, when coding the 12 angry men in a paragraph, you should use something similar to the following code. So let us see it. I will highlight it, mine here, say copy, then non-breaking. So I come here and I create a new one. Then I save this one as non-break. Save it as non-break.html. Non-break.html. Then it is in my desktop, here on desktop, then in a folder called the website, in a folder called website, and my file name is non-break. So I save. So after saving, I continue here. So we are having this one. I also copy this again, also copy this, I copy it, also bring it here, and I save it also like this. So we want to see the importance of this command, non-break space, this one, non-break space, this one. This is what we want to see, the importance of this code here. So we want to see, so if I save changes, and in this here, they are telling us that this one. So let us first run it. Let us run it and see what it produces. So we are going to come here on the in the folder where we saved it, non-break. So it is non-break. So it is here. So if I double click to open it, so now I think you can see an example of this technique appears in the movie 12 Angry Men. So I think you can see. So let's say that we haven't we didn't place them there. So let me remove them like this. Let me remove them like this, and also let me remove them like this, and I save changes. So after saving changes, and I come back here and I refresh, now it becomes one word. It becomes one word. So now if I put it again like this, if I put it again like this and I refresh, you see my spaces come back. So now this is it. So non-break spacing. So let us continue. So my dear friends, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Continue to like, continue to subscribe, continue to share for more and more people to learn computing. We are here at PalmOps Foundation, Elite Schools, simplifying computing or making it easier. I'm still your friend, Ahebwa.